Welcome. I thought I'm just gonna post another video on how to buy MoonBuds because PancakeSwap changed some things and now it's a bit confusing. So I thought I would help you with that. I will not be going this tutorial over how you would get BNB and how you would get that on into your wallet and on the Binance Smart Chain. You could check out my other video for that, or just Google it because there's tons of good information on that. But anyway, the first thing you need if you want to join a new project or a project in general, get the right contract address, because if you get the wrong contract address, you will invest your money into a scam and lose all your money. So we don't want that. So you get the right contract address by going to mostly the Telegram groups, and in this case it's the MoonBud Telegram group. After you join the Telegram group, link will be in the description, you will need to sift through the pinned messages until you find the contract address. And an easy way to do this is just click on that button and scroll through it. And there are two promising links we could click. It's either the buy link or the contract link. The buy link links you directly to PancakeSwap, but you can't really verify if it's actually the right buyer link, and it might be broken right now. So I'd advise you to just click on the contract link, where you can actually see how many people are holding the token, how many transfers happened, what the total supply is, and even more things, but that's advanced. So all you want to do is copy this address, this contract address, and make sure you copy it. And then you can go to PancakeSwap, which is the exchange for the Binance Smart Chain. And PancakeSwap is really nice to the eyes and really simple. All you need to do is go to trade and click exchange. And now the fuckery begins. They tried to update the system, but let's just say some complications happened. There are now two versions where you could exchange tokens from. For the love of God, I advise you to never use the new version for the next couple of weeks unless the project tells you explicitly to use the new version, because the new version is unsafe at the moment and it just doesn't have enough liquidity. So always, doesn't matter what you trade right now, always choose the old version, the V1 old version on the bottom here. And if you selected that, you need to connect your wallet. Make sure you select in your wallet the Binance Smart Chain, and you should have some amounts of BNB which you will use to purchase MoonBud or any other coin. And then you will post the contract address, then add it to PancakeSwap, which I already did, and just click on it. And now you can swap your BNB for MoonBud. There are some things you need to look out for as well. You need to click on this button and select a high enough slippage or the transaction will fail. This is because the token generates taxes on each transaction. So the best thing I found to do is basically using 5 dot, just an amount above 5%, really. Anything above that should work for MoonBud. So after you select that, you can deposit the amount of BNB you want. In my case, since I already sold my whole life for this token, I only have a small amount of BNB left. And then you can press swap, confirm swap. And now it says, no, it doesn't work. Now you remove the decimals, because that's another error this token can have. And you need to accept that. And soon there should be a small message popping up with that your transaction was successful. Right here. And that's basically how you buy MoonBud. So, summary, please make sure you select the right contract and don't get scammed. And please, until PancakeSwap fixes their shit, just always, doesn't matter what project or what token or what transaction, just use the old versions. And if you have problems seeing your tokens in your wallet, for MetaMask you can go to add token, custom token, and add it there with the contract address. I already did that, so it doesn't work anymore. And there are several other wallet providers where you need to do the same thing, but I don't know exactly where the button for that is. Just keep a lookout for adding tokens, and you should be fine. If you still have any questions, just join the group and ask them. We will answer them. And thanks for watching.